Today I'm making a chicken Caesar salad sandwich. First I'm going to make the Caesar salad, so in a bowl I'm going to add 1 bag of this Caesar chopped kit. Next I'm going to sprinkle in the croutons that it came with. Then I'm going to add the Caesar dressing. Next I'm going to add some freshly grated parmesan cheese and then mix this up until it's combined and put this to the side for later. Now I'm going to make the chicken for the sandwich, so on a plate I have some chicken tenders. Then for the breading station I have flour in the first bin. The next bin I have 2 eggs and some milk I mixed up together. Then in the next bin I have some breadcrumbs, garlic powder, and parmesan cheese. Then I'm going to take a piece of chicken and coat it in the flour. Then I'm going to dip it in the egg and then coat it in the breadcrumbs and then put it on the plate. And then I'm just going to repeat the process with the rest of the chicken. Now I'm going to fry up the chicken, so in a fry pan I have some olive oil in the pan. I'm going to add the chicken and cook it on medium heat for a few minutes. After a few minutes I'm going to flip the chicken over and let it cook on the other side. Once the chicken is done cooking, I'm going to add it onto a cookie sheet with some paper towel to let the excess oil drip off, and then I'm going to continue making the chicken. Next I have a dry fry pan on medium heat. I'm going to add 2 croissants that I cut almost all the way in half and let them toast for a few minutes. Now I'm going to build the sandwiches, so on a plate I have 2 toasted croissants, and first I'm going to add a piece of chicken on each croissant. Next I'm going to add 2 pieces of mozzarella cheese on top of each piece of chicken. Lastly, I'm going to add some Caesar salad on top of each sandwich and then close up the sandwich. Here's an up close look at the chicken Caesar salad sandwiches.